Hey guys, as always, I'm always hunting these 30-minute recipes. And something quick, easy for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and rice always does the trick. So I came up with this honey pork fried rice. Absolutely incredible. Have it anytime, and the entire family will love it. So let me show you how to do this. Okay, let's marinate about half a kilo of pork that I've cut into bite-sized chunks with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of the star of the show, some honey, and a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can just use black. And we'll just massage this into the meat. Next up, add some oil to a pan, and this is about over medium-high heat. Place the pork in. And we're going to fry this up just until it's brown. And what you want, guys, is for this pork to fry in those delicious juices, just about to the point where the juice is caramelized. Makes it so good. Now our pork is beautifully brown. I'm going to add in a small chopped onion, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, about a cup of mixed veggies, and a thumb-sized ginger. And we're just going to stir fry this for about 2 or 3 minutes, just until that wonderful smell of garlic fills the air, that fragrance. All right, I'm just going to move everything to one side of the pan. Add a little bit more oil in, I'd say about a teaspoon. And we're going to add in 2 beaten eggs. And I'll just go ahead and scramble these up until they're set. After that, add in 3 cups of pre-cooked rice. I just had rice last night and had some left over, so it worked out perfectly. Add in another tablespoon of soy sauce and about a teaspoon of sesame oil, just for that extra flair. And we'll just toss everything together until it's beautifully combined. Tossing we will go. Oh, just look at this, my friends. You can see those flavors just coming together. Wow. And there you have it, guys, our honey pork fried rice. So easy and so delicious. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this wonderful dish up. I can hardly wait to dig in. Garnish it up with some green onions. Okay, time to dig in. Oh, this looks so good. Oh. Just check this out. Oh my goodness, guys, what a delicious combination of flavors. That pork with the honey, the soy sauce, that bit of heat from the white pepper is absolutely spectacular. The veggies, the garlic, the onions, everything goes beautifully together. And it's a meal in one. You have to try this. This is good. Of course, I'm going to eat more. For all the info on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. Lots going on over there. Fantastic site. Plan your meals around it. Thanks for subscribing if you haven't already done so. Thanks for that thumbs up, and keep watching, and we'll see you next time.